Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to perform advanced turnover. To perform advanced turnover, press and hold L2 and R1 and then flick right analog twice to your opposite position. For example, if you're facing left, flick it right. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.